Okay, here's the Elec-Trak Chain Saw that I just got. Official 36 volt Elec-Trak Chain Saw, model number HS13. It's plugged in with this long cord to the box here that goes up to the little two-prong PTO connection. In the box is a contactor, so when you pull the trigger on the switch, it actually turns the contactor on and off down here. The chain was all rusted, so I took the chain off. And then the other thing was the air vent end was kind of gunked up, so I took that off just to get as much yuckiness out of there as I can. We can see the brush holders in here, and over here this is of course the drive end. Normally the chain would go onto a little pulley that's right here. So let's take a look. So it definitely needs a little bit more cleanup and then a fresh chain, but I think that should work just fine. Elec-Trak chainsaw.